So it's the next day and it's almost 5 p.m. I'm still in my pajamas. Woke up feeling jacked up, like I've been hit with a truck by an angry, jealous wife. I just wanted to show you guys what I got. Thought it was very interesting. It's a restaurant called K Delicious or something like that. Here's what I got. The packaging in the container is very interesting. I didn't want something dry, so I got these beans, similar to kind of what we eat in Africa. And it's interesting. It came with rice and couscous and these two little appetizer empanada like. Put up a picture somewhere of what the Uber Eats actually was. I'm gonna get to eating, try to go back to bed because tomorrow real work begins. Tried to get some work done today, but really wasn't much. But tomorrow will be a long day. So painkillers. I've already ironed my suit that I'm gonna be wearing tomorrow. After I eat, I'm gonna fix my bag, get that ready for tomorrow, so that even though my room is a mess, at least the basic that I need will be taken care of. All right, I will probably see you guys tomorrow when I'm on my way to the expo. Another morning walk to the conference. The local cave that feel like crap.